Let's make a quick and easy bathtub tray using only one board and some of my favorite WORKPRO tools. For this project, we're going to be using a common board cut at 36 inches. The remaining scrap board will be used for the book holder. We're going to cut one piece at 10 inches and one piece at 1.5 inches. Total, we'll have 3 pieces cut: the book stand, the stopper, and the tray. After everything is sanded, clamp down the tray and pre-drill holes where the book stand will go. Once you've pre-drilled holes on the book stand itself, add a little bit of glue and then attach with screws. Place the book stopper in front of the book stand just by a few inches and attach with glue. Once all the glue is dry, you can paint or stain your bathtub tray. I went with a hickory gel stain. Once the stain was dry, I added a layer of spar urethane to make sure that the bathtub tray would be protected from moisture and water. Now it's time to add the handles. I found these super cute silver handles at the store, but thought they would look better with a little bit of rub and buff. To attach the handles, first measure and mark the middle of the board. Next, mark the depth that the handles will sit. It's easy if you just use the width of the ruler. Once you have these spots marked, go ahead and pre-drill holes in that location. Then attach the handles with small screws. That's it, y'all, a super simple bathtub tray. And all it needed was one board, a few of my favorite WORKPRO tools, and about a day to complete. This bathtub tray makes the perfect gift for any occasion. Let me know what y'all think and follow Southern Yankee DIY for more simple projects.